6.5 right here, hella clean. We over here taxiing with BNI Car Shows, Rollers Only. Stop by here. It's MC here. Shit some sweet. That shit looking real nice. A lot of people out here. Couple of family want to come out here. Morgan's birthday. Here. 6.4 SS. Real nice. Stuff. Real clean. That's 6.8 right there. That's good. Jordan, is there Hello Kitty one?
I know, Sherry posed in front of it.
Yeah?
Walked
There's
right
a
up
picture
to
of it
it.
already?
I was all pissed because I'm like, dude, this ain't my bumper bracket. He told me I got bumper brackets. That was one of the first things that ran through my brain was, okay, this wagon I
Oh, Daddy, look, there's tires in this thing. How did he do that?
Hello.
paid. All right, have a nice day.
Sonny? He's walking.
Okay, we're on the back.
Yeah. It's clean. I don't really like charge, but fuck, this one's nice.
Yeah, that's me. This one wins back. What's your favorite car so far?
My favorite?
Yeah.
The 6.4
I
SS,
like this one, though.
but I also like that 6.5.